Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can allow incoming calls, for example from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. There's also an option allow repeat callers if the same person calls you a second time within 15-minute period. Allow this call. You can also restrict floating notifications, and you can set schedule for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.